I think I could drink this like a smoothie. I think I could bathe in this. I think every vegetable on the planet would love to be bathed in this curry sauce. Welcome back, my friend, to another episode of The Master Food Artist. I'm Darlene Loves, your host, and you're here because you love amazing vegan and raw vegan recipes and because you want to be a master food artist. So if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe and of course ring that bell. Like and share this video too, because we want all of our friends to be making this amazing curry recipe. Today I have 2 tips for you. I'm putting on my apron. 1, this can be served raw or heated. 2, if you are sensitive to nuts, you can make it with seeds. Aren't you just ready to make this delicious, creamy curry recipe to lather all over your veggies? Let's get started. Let's add some macadamia nuts to the blender and then some Thai coconut meat, which I've scraped out of a coconut here, and then some garlic cloves, fresh ginger, lemon juice, cumin, which I love, which really gives it that flavor, and curry powder. Lots of curry powder, a little bit of cayenne to bring the spice, and water to blend. And let's blend it all up creamy. And then after it's blended a little bit, I like to throw in some extras like some salt and dates to really bring out the flavor. Can you believe how creamy and dreamy that sauce is? Now, you can use macadamia nuts or you can use seeds like hemp seeds. Second, we are going to lather it, pour it on top of veggies. So you just chop up some veggies, whichever ones you like, and stick it in a steamer or on the stove in a pot. Let's get on to the next. Here I'm going to add some chopped up sweet potato, which I've actually pre-cooked a little bit, some onion, some chopped up mushrooms and baby tomatoes, and of course some red bell peppers and zucchini. Yummy. Some chopped carrots, heirloom carrots, and I've actually steamed some garbanzo beans, and then I'm going to put it in the steamer when it's halfway steamed. Then I'm going to pour the sauce on top, mix it in, and steam it again. It's delicious and ready to serve with the rice balls. Yummy. Now let's make a raw version, and I'm spiralizing some zucchini here, which I love to do. It's so fun to have that spiralized zucchini, shredded carrots, chopped up baby tomatoes, some corn in here, and then top it off with our sauce. Mix it in really good, and then just let it sit on the counter. It's delicious. Poof! It's done like a magician. Now remember, this video comes in 4 parts. This is a 4-course meal. So if you missed the last 2 weeks, I'm going to link the videos in below. Now, if you want this recipe and so many more, head on over to themasterfoodartist.com and be sure to subscribe, because then you're going to get a bunch of delicious green smoothies, like green smoothie obsession for those like myself that are obsessed with green smoothies. So get those recipes too. And remember, I'm here to bring out the best in you and your food. And of course, I loves you.